channel, and today I'll be making banana fritters for you guys. This one is traditional, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the perfect banana fritters. Firstly, you want to use overripe banana. So I have two here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and crush them with a fork. So yes guys, after smashing your bananas, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and add 1.5 cup of flour. Okay guys, and then from there I will be adding in 2 pinch of salt. Yeah, and right here I have some ground allspice. Yeah, I'll be using like half a teaspoon. Yes, and here guys I have some grounded nutmeg, same half of teaspoon. Okay guys, and I have some brown sugar here, and I'm using 2 tablespoons. You can use less brown sugar, or you can actually eliminate the brown sugar because bananas are already sweet. And right here I have some cow's milk, but first I'm gonna go in with the fork and try to incorporate these dry ingredients with the banana. Alright guys, I'm gonna go in with my milk, and this milk is 1/8 of a cup. I'm gonna mix. Okay guys, and here I have 1 cup of water. I'm just gonna put aside and gonna mix. This one you don't want it to be too liquefied because it's gonna absorb too much oil while frying. I'm just gonna go in with the rest of my water. And you just wanna mix until smooth.